10 adverbs that are useful for the IELTS test. Here are 10 adverbs that are useful for the IELTS test, along with their meanings and examples. These adverbs are used in academic writing and speaking, which are crucial components of the IELTS test. Ambiguously. Meaning: in a way that is open to more than one interpretation. Not clear or definite. Example: the instructions were ambiguously worded, leading to confusion among the participants. Diligently. Meaning: in a way that shows care and conscientiousness in one's work or duties. Example: the researcher diligently compiled data over several months. Vigorously. Meaning: in a way that involves physical strength, effort, or energy, forcefully. Example: they vigorously debated the issue, each presenting strong arguments. Inevitably. Meaning: as is certain to happen, unavoidably. Example: inevitably, with hard work and determination, she achieved her goals. Astonishingly. Meaning: in a way that causes great surprise or amazement. Example: the student, who had struggled all year, performed astonishingly well in the final exam. Surreptitiously. Meaning: in a way that attempts to avoid notice or attention, secretively. Example: he surreptitiously glanced at his notes during the test. Profoundly. Meaning: to a very great or intense extent, deeply. Example: the novel profoundly influenced her view on social justice. Meticulously. Meaning: in a way that shows great attention to detail. Very thoroughly. Example: she meticulously prepared her presentation, ensuring every detail was perfect. Reluctantly. Meaning: unwillingly, with hesitation. Example: she reluctantly agreed to speak at the conference. Inadvertently. Meaning: without intention, accidentally. Example: he inadvertently sent the email to the wrong person. Thank you for watching Miss English.